All right, tell me, Mickey, you brought your... We know that was you, Pluto. We know... Get out of here. Anyways, what's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Two variations here. One is a Yugoslavia. The other is Austria. Just by looking at the faces, do you know which is which? Oh, I turned it. Yeah, I gave it up. Well, anyways, the way you can tell the differences is going to be the eyebrows. The eyebrows are the most important thing with the Mickey Mouse Pez dispensers, especially these older versions. And when you get really old with the painted face Mickey, they have molded eyebrows under the black head. If you have smooth area where the eyebrows are, yeah, one of these faceplates fell off and someone painted it. Sorry about that. But the eyebrows, very thin. Oh, wow, there's a crack there. Oh, that's really hard to see. We're going to have to let somebody know about that one. And then you have them, they kind of look like smiley faces when they're upside down. A little bit longer, a little bit thinner. Another way you can tell the difference if you only see the side of the head. There is a metal pin. If he would, let's turn him this way. There we go. On the die-cut Mickeys with the die-cut stem, the Austria version, you're going to see this metal pin that runs through the head and does the spring action. Here in the Yugoslavian one, it is going to have a hole in the head for a plastic pivot point. Now at the bottom, you're going to see the Austria there, but here you're only going to see the 34 patent number. You will not see the made in country, so we have to go up here for the IMC of 5. Can you see that one? It's kind of tough to see, but it's there. So those are differences. This Yugoslavian one's pretty hard one to find. They went right to the removable nose one just after that. So those are two differences. You can see the mouth difference as well. Not much, but there is one. The Yugoslavian one looks a little more sharp, crisp, if you will. So there's your differences. And also, if you just see that little bit of red right there, red 9 times out of 10 means die cut. However, they did have some yellow stems laying around that weren't die cut that these will be found in. So there you go. Until next time. What's going on, Minnie?